Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Reggae artist Warrior King joins the likes of Steel Pulse, Anthony B and Sizzla for the 8th annual One Love One Heart Festival September 2 and 3 in Woodlands, California. Warrior King has made a number of appearances across the US and Europe in recent months and remains consistent with his delivery of positive reggae music. The artist is preparing for the release of a number of new projects. Fans in California can also catch his performance at the Marcus Garvey 130th birthday celebrations this Friday. Reggae Firebrand Teflon is back in the island after recently concluding his US tour. Teflon shares the success of his Young Kings album and also his plans for the Young King brand.
You know, my day here, as I say, put in the groundwork, put in the promotional work in the field, in the streets at night time, do what I'm supposed to do, and make sure, say, you know, Jamaica can always feel in and with Teflon, as in a part of the Young King brand, a part of the Unruly Bubble, you know, a part of my movement. So the Young King album went #1 for like 3 to 4 months in Netherlands, and in Europe and all. That album is a very great album for me because that is one of the albums where opened back the doors for me in Europe.
While continuing to hone his craft and cement his place on the international scene, he expresses the importance of the Jamaican market in his new endeavors.
Jamaica very essential, you know, the marketing strategy is important to in Jamaica. So this is why I came back now, break the tour, decided finish up the EP, get the EP more anticipated from Jamaica side, not just in US or in Europe side where I have a good fan base, you know. I have a brand new EP set to release very soon, you know, we're in studio right now laying down the tracks. Tads will be distributing the EP. Like my company, which is Yard of Love, Purpose Conk, which is DJ Wayne, and Tads, we all come together and doing this EP. So the fans can look out for this EP very soon. I have a good collaboration with Bugle also on the EP. The projects are almost complete and I don't want to rush the project. So it's a good project and I love the feeling when I get from the project. You know, I love the time when I spend for make the music and the time where everybody spend for mix and master them songs. Each compilation, each music I put out, you know, is more maturity. So just put out one of the songs off the EP titled Wasteman. And you know, we have new videos out such as You're Right. We have Chip Chop and the One Go Rhythm. This Friday again we leave out for New York, Roy Wilson Park. You don't know, that's a great show with myself and Akon and Remy Ma and, you know, what more other artists.
Minister Marion Hall is to take the stage for her debut performance in Western Jamaica. Marion Hall will perform at the 6th staging of the Jamaica Tourist Board endorsed event Come Celebrate Jesus at the Montego Bay Convention Center. The artist will be treating her fans to an entertaining, uplifting and inspirational set with songs from her gospel catalog, including I Had Jesus, There's Room in My House, Jesus in the End, and others. Minister Hall shares the stage with the likes of international gospel artist Kurt Carr and Kevin Downswell. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.